How to fix stuck on updates are underway. Keep your computer on Windows. 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Rename the software distribution folder at c:\windows\software distribution. 3. Flush the Catra2 folder. 4. Fix corrupted Windows Update system files using DISM. Commands include, dism, /online/cleanup image /scan health dism /online/cleanup image /check health dism /online/cleanup image /restore health. 5. Run Windows Update in safe mode with networking. 6. Run automatic startup repair in advanced Windows safe mode. 7. Perform a system restore.